It just happened. SpaceX completed the largest IPO in history. About 556 million shares went out at $135 each. Roughly $75 billion raised at a valuation near $1.75 trillion. It trades on the Nasdaq as SPCX. So how do you value something that big? We won't tell you to buy it, and we won't call a price. We'll build the framework instead. Don't value it as one blurry thing. Think of it like a conglomerate. You price each store, then add them up. SpaceX has 3, Starlink, satellite internet, more than 10 million subscribers, and near 9,800 satellites. Launch services, a near monopoly on commercial launch. And XAI, the AI lab merged in during 2026, with a combined value cited around $1.25 trillion. 3 businesses, 3 risk profiles. Add the parts, and the $1.75 trillion headline starts to make sense. Now, people want a single fair value. But for a pre-profit company with rockets, satellites, and an AI lab, there is no one number. There's a range. Imagine a weather forecast that's a band, not one temperature. Bearish, you land near 0.9 trillion. Bullish, near 2.6 trillion. The market's 1.75 trillion sits inside that band. So what does the width tell you? The more value that depends on things that haven't happened yet, the wider the range. Here's the easy answer that's wrong. A hot first day means it's worth it. But the IPO price isn't a measure of worth. Underwriters and roadshow demand set it. Early trading runs on hype and on float. How few shares trade, not on fundamentals. We've seen this before. Facebook popped in 2012, then fell hard for months. The same opening pop reads 2 ways: proof of belief or a warning that expectations are now sky high. The buzz is real, it just isn't value. But a fresh listing hides things. Lockups. Insiders can't sell for a window, often 90 to 180 days. And when it expires, new supply floods in, like a dam releasing built-up water. So what happens then? Look at past IPOs around 2019 and 2021, where lockup expiry pressured the stock. There's also no long public track record, no years of audited quarters, and so much rests on one founder. None of that is good or bad. It just means day one value sits on the least tested foundation a stock has. So, here's the takeaway. Go back to the biggest IPO in history, SpaceX at $1.75 trillion. Hype turned all the way up. Now you have the lens. Break it into parts. Starlink, launch, XAI. Accept a range, not one number. Remember, the IPO price is demand and hype, not worth. And discount for what's hidden. Lockups, no track record, one founder. Do that, and the buzz becomes one input, not the whole story. The next mega IPO that lights up your feed? Price the business, not the buzz.